Hello everyone, I am Rudranil and you are watching Epic Wildlife, where you are going to meet a number of birds and animals and learn about them. Let's start today's video. 1. Black-headed jay. Scientific name of black-headed jay is Garrulus lanceolatus. It ranges from East Afghanistan eastwards across the Himalayas from India to Nepal and Bhutan. It feeds both on ground and trees. There are usually 3 to 5 eggs incubated over 16 days. 2. Red-vented bulbul. Red-vented bulbul's scientific name is Pycnonotus scatter. It is native to South and Southeast Asia. They eat fruit, flower, buds, and insects. Its nest is cup-shaped and constructed of twigs, grasses, rootlets, etc. 3. The last bird for today is spotted dove. Scientific name of spotted dove is Pelophalia chinesis. It is native to Eastern Asia. They feed on grains, seeds, and scraps. Their nest is single collection of twigs. So viewers, only this much for today. I, Rudranil, will come back on another video with some more birds and their characteristics. Bye.